Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to week 13 of the Collage Weekly Planner. So, I hope y'all are doing well. Let's just get started. Okay, so this is week 13. We need a photo. I did go around and collect my bits beforehand. Yep, so let's see. We have a photo. This is the photo that I chose. Excuse me. And I'll probably be tearing it out. And I might even use this, what appears to be eucalyptus. Not sure. Yeah. So there's that's my photo. A geometric shape. I just, looked around and this happened to be right at, hand's reach. So I picked these for the geometric shape. Something you see through a window. I picked this right here. I got this from Sweet Laura, and it's like a bridge card maybe or something. And yeah, I think I'm gonna use this, and I'm just gonna tear it in half because you see birds and flowers out a window. So I like that. I like the gold around it. Lines, I don't have that, I don't think. A ticket stub, again, this is from, I'm gonna use this one that says ticket on it. And that, again, is from Sweet Laura. Put that over there. Let's see what else. So there's the ticket stub and typewriter text. Okay, I looked in my box, and this just happened to be there. So this I'm going to use as well. So let's just get started, shall we? I haven't decided. I think I'm just going to tear this board of directors meeting. I don't know. I haven't read it. I don't know exactly, but I think it's gonna go like this. Yeah, and we're just gonna tear it on the side here, just like that. And normally I might even use this as my lines as well, because it's lines of typewriting print. Let's tear this too so that it's just all the same. Okay, so we're gonna tear this this way. Okay. Oh, I might even just save that little bit. I know it's crazy, but it would look great on a collage page. So, okay, we're just gonna put that in the background there, I think. All right. And then we're going to tear this, the geometrical shapes. You know how much I love color, so I can't just, do a page without it, all right? So maybe we'll do something like that, perhaps, and glue that on there and then cut that off. I'm just kind of setting this up and just to see. Now, normally, I have to tell you, like, I don't normally care. I like my words to go left and right. Huh. Maybe I like it better that way, right? Maybe we will do this after all and do it just like that. Or move this over some. Okay. And then I have my picture here. And I like how it's torn on the edges there. Let's just see here. Okay, I don't have my good scissors. Well, actually I do. They're in my to-go bag, but I'm not going to get them out. Now, I'm just going to not really fussy cut this out. I think this appears to be eucalyptus, which is probably something I could use in my shower to clean out my sinuses. Because if you can't tell, I am still slightly ill, but I'm feeling better, so that's good. I'm actually filming this on a Sunday, so yep. So hopefully by the time you're seeing this on a Friday, I am tip-top and back to normal. So I just happen to like this little bit of, I think that would, it's not even on the list, but I like it, so I'm gonna add it. Let's see, I think I'm going to cut this And this is what I'm using for my photo. And then I'm going to try to tear it along the way that it is already torn in the photo. There, that worked out a charm. Okay. And we'll see about this side here. Okay. Liking it, liking it, liking it so far. All right. Now, should I tear, or should I think, well, it's already done. So, yep, we're cutting that bit off. Okay. So there's our little picture. Okay, that's the photo part. Now this here, okay. Let's see. I like this. But let me see how it's going to go on the page. I like that. This is for something you see through a window, and birds and flowers, you know, you see through a window. So, oh gosh, but I don't know. I don't know. I like, okay, we're doing this, all right? I see, you know, I mean, you can see flowers out your window, you know. So maybe I'll just try to fussy cut this little bit off. Because I like the gold, right? And do I want it, I might want that here like that. Possibly. And here is our little ticket. Could we put this like this perhaps? I like that. And then where, could we put that like that? Not sure. Not sure. I don't know. Ugh. I think I like that. And there's my typewriter. Okay, let's just get to gluing. Okay, and let's see how it ends up coming out. I don't know yet. Okay, I'm not really sure. But there's an idea. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and hopefully I have glue. Oh geez, I can't even get that open. Okay, that's gnarly glue. Let's see if we have glue in this one. Yep, we do. Okay, so this is going on like this. I'm wondering. Oh geez, should I ink it? Nah, I don't think so. We're just gonna go for it, okay? Okay, so you know last week's Collage Weekly Planner, I had such a difficult time with. I really don't know why. I think it was the cartoon that threw me off, you know? Yeah, I don't really have a lot of cartoons, so, or cartoon pic, you know, I don't know, cartoon ephemera, not really sure. Anyway, yeah, so that was just difficult for me. So we're gonna try to put this on semi-straight. And let's see. Yep, okay. See, there was last week's, and it was just, I'm not gonna lie, it was difficult for me, but I did it, and whoops. And I'm glad that I did. It was just, yeah, it was super difficult for me to do. I'm cutting part of the book, which I did not want to do. Okay. So there's that. Let's put that over there. Okay, what else? Okay, now we were gonna put this on next, I think. All right, so how are y'all doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm getting over a cold. And yeah, otherwise everything's fine. Are you guys doing this challenge as well? How are you finding the prompts? I'm finding it, I'm really enjoying it. You know, I say that almost every week. Like, I really do enjoy, you know, the hunt for the stuff you know, to use in the book. And then I, of course, enjoy, you know, putting it all together in some, you know, semblance of order that makes a difference in my mind, or, you know, makes sense in my mind, all except for this one. But that still has not grown on me. Yeah. Anyway, okay, let's get back to this. Okay. So there's my geometric shape. Okay. And then we were going to put this, you know how I do tend to do things in the lower left-hand corner. And it's funny because, who was it? I think it was my sweet friend, whatchamacallit, my sweet friend Allison was like, I wonder if I was working, she said she wondered if I was working on the right side of the page, would my clusters tend to be on the lower right hand corner? And my answer is probably yes. Like, I'm not really sure. I don't know if oh, maybe I like it like that. Yeah, something you see out the window. I just love this deck. I think that's super pretty. And then the ticket here. Should we put the ticket there or put the ticket there? Oh gosh. I kind of like it there. It's hard for at this angle to see if if things are straight, which does drive me kind of bonkers. You know. Or should I put it like that? Or I could put it like that. No. Or I could put it like that. Yes. Okay, I like it like that. Yep, I like it like that. Okay. Now, let's see what to do. Okay, we're going to glue. It's one of the things that is difficult for me is when you're layering like this to figure out, like, you know, where you kind of want the glue. You know what I mean? So that you can glue your stuff down. This I only want at the top. Yeah, I don't know if that made sense at all. It barely made sense to me. So, where do I want? I think I want it like that. I think like that. Yeah, see, so like when you're layering, I guess is what I'm trying to say. You know, you want to like get your bits together sort of so that then you can just glue the whole thing down, right? Like in one go. And then you don't have to worry. I don't know if that's straight or not. Oh, that's gonna drive me insane. All right, it appears to be straight. I don't know. Okay. And then, well, this, oh yeah, maybe. I wish this was actually going the other way. I don't know if I like it like that or if I like it just, no, I don't want to cover that up. And I'm not sure that I want it there. Let's see if I could shove it in there. Okay, I kind of like that. Oh, decisions. This isn't even on the list, but I just like it. So I'm not really sure. Yeah, I kind of do like that. Yeah, I do. Even though it's not on the list. It's my book. I can do what I want. Okay, let's try to shove this in here like this. Again, like I said, you know, with the layering and stuff, it helps if you know, now all I have to do is glue this whole thing down. I hope that makes some semblance of sense, right? But look at that beautiful patio. I'd like to be there. Okay, so now we can take the whole shebang and glue it down. I don't know what it's called. Like, I don't know if it's called reverse something or I don't really know. But that's what I like to do when I am layering stuff, is just kind of like tack stuff down. Ah, okay, that wasn't tacked down. Yeah, tack stuff down so that you have just one, it ends up being, you know, basically just one image, right? That you've layered, oh gosh, and can go down in one fell swoop. So is that how I want it? Okay, I don't know. Something is not even here and I'm not liking it. But it is what it is, and it's, oh my gosh, this ticket is giving me problems here. Come on, stick down, will ya? All right. Okay. Well, I mean, that's kind of straight, so, all right. Okay. There we go. There. Everything's down. Okay. Yay. Okay. Let's get a pen here. I don't even know. We're just going to use this one. Okay. A photo. Yes. This is a photo from a magazine of a beautiful back porch. Wouldn't you love to be sitting there with a cool drink? Okay. So photo. Yes. A geometric shape. Yes. This in the background. Something you see through the window. These are the flowers, is what I put for that. Lines, I'm going to use this back part here as my lines and typewriter text. So check and check. And then a ticket stub, which I just received in Happy Mail. So how about that? Okay, so that's how this page worked out. I like it okay. I like it okay. It was enjoyable to do. And I like how the green picks up on this green. This back here has really nothing to do with anything except maybe the pinks pick up. Yeah, this kind of picks up on this bluish tealish, you know, the eucalyptus, which isn't even on the list, but I decided to put it on there anyway. And yeah, the typewriter text in the background. So yeah, there you have it. Week 13, done and dusted. I hope you enjoyed that. And don't forget to check down below. I'll have the playlist that I have for my Collage Weekly Planner playlist. So you can see, you know, if you want to see the previous pages that I've done, go ahead and check those out. And yeah, thanks so much for sharing your time with me. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can get notified the next time a video comes out. I hope you have a great day, a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.